Hello, guys. Bless this food in Jesus' name. Amen. Guys, make una come join me. Oh. I want you stash. I want you stash. Mm. Guys, make una join me. Eat this delicious food. I be say I want eat rice, but I don't change my mind. Mm. Guys, I said I want eat rice before, but the rice what I want to eat the stew I cook. I not too much like that type of rice. Now I say make I eat this food. Make I eat this one. Because get the type of rice what I dey like. I'll go buy am now. If I come out later, I'll go buy am. Now I say make I eat another delicious food. This one na another delicious food, guys. Make una join me. Now why eat? Oh my god. Guys, make una join me eat this delicious food. Make una join me. This is another type of delicious food. Oh my god. This food there. Guys. Mm. 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 This delicious food. Oh my god. I really feel am. I dey feel am. Guys. I dey always dey like to use big cup take drink water, but today I don't know wetin make me wan use this small cup. Oh my god. Oh my god. This food there. I just dey feel am. I dey feel this food. I dey feel am. Guys, make una come join me. This one another delicious food. Another delicious food, guys. Make una see am now. You see the smoke? I just dey need the brick and dey come out for fire now. Guys. Oh my goodness. Look. Mm. 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 I dey feed this food. Oh my god. This one na food now. Guys. Mm. 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 Guys, make una come join me. Make una join me. Something dey here. Oh my god. Mm. 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 Mama, no vex with me. The way they sweet me. And the way they sweet me. This food there. I really feed the food. Guys, I just dey make this food now. You see the way they hot. As they hot, if you dey eat am, you get the kind taste wey it go dey give you. Look, if they eat hot food like this, you just dey bring am come out for fire. You just dey eat am. Oh my god. Guys. Mm. 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 Guys, make una join me eat this delicious food. Mm. Mm. Guys, this one a delicious food, eh? Everything dey inside here. Nothing where you go find. No type of meat or fish where you go find where you no see for inside this soup. Mmm. 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 Guys. Mmm. 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 I dey feel am. Mmm. I really dey feel this food, eh? Oh my god. Mmm. Mmm. This side just dey disturb me. Abeg, let me eat my food, bro. You know the type of enjoyment wey I dey enjoy now, you no go disturb me. Ha! Type of air be this. Mmm. Mmm. Guys. Mmm. This food, eh? Oh my goodness. Mmm. 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 Guys, I really enjoy the food, eh? Make una join me. Mmm. 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 Guys, make una come join me. Mmm. 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 Guys, make una join me eat this delicious food. Mmm. 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 Guys. Mmm. 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 Excuse me. This food, eh? Mmm. Mmm. Guys, make una join me eat this delicious food. Mmm. 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 I dey enjoy this food, eh, guys. Mmm. Mmm. So a delicious food, guys. Mmm. 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 Oh my god. Mmm. Mmm. This food, eh? Too dey sweet. Mmm. Guys, I really eat this food, eh? Mmm. 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 Mm. Mm. Guys, make una join me, eh? Mm. Oh my god, this food. Mm. Guys, I don't eat too much food today. Oh my god, I did very full. I eat different food today. Oh my god, this one, the food I just cook throughout today. Delicious food, delicious food. Oh my god, I don't feel resistant. Oh my god. Mm. Excuse me. I really eat delicious food today. Oh my god, this food, eh? Hi. Mm. Now this type of food, my husband dey like am. My husband not dey around now. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. 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 Guys, una taste this food, eh? Oh, I know wetin una dey miss. Make una come join me. Una know say this food na really delicious food. Mm. Today I got to eat different food. Mm. My belly really full. Mm. This food, eh? Oh my god. Guys, Mm. Guys. Oh my god. I really eat different food today. Oh my god. I really full. Guys, this food they pay me as I wan live am. They pay me. But as I don full now, wetin I go do? Excuse me. Wetin I go do? I no fit do anything. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. Yeah. Guys. Oh my god, this food there. Really enter. You enter. I enjoy this food. I feel like sleeping. Oh. Mm. 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 As I want to leave, I just depend me, but the food too dey sweet. I don't full, but to leave am na problem. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Guys, you know how to cook delicious food. Let me not be say I dey control myself. I'll fed up fat past this one. I'll do over fat because the type of food where they cook sometimes. Oh my god, the food it is delicious. But if I say make I dey eat am, the way I take it down, like now I don't food now. If I overeat am now, if it can make me over too fat, you see, I need to stay control my fat. But this food no. Next time, before I eat this type of food, I'll make sure say I not go eat anything. So that if I want eat am, nothing go fit stop me, make I remain small. I go make sure I finish everything. Because as I leave this one, now, they pay me. They pay me. I don't understand. I don't understand what they talk. Even I tell this food, I don't understand what they try to talk. Sorry, excuse me. Oh my god. Guys. This food now rice. I been want rice and stew. I been want it before. The type of rice what I get for us. Not be that type I want to eat that delicious stew I cook. No. I need to buy. You know that kind of rice where they see for Nigeria at that time. That rice it go slim, it go long. Now that type of rice. Now they go for this kind of stew. If you don't take eat this kind of stew, this delicious stew I cook today, oh god. Hi. No, Sha. I'll go out just now, go buy the rice, put for ground. So that if I cook I'll not tell you this delicious stew I cook today. Oh my god. No. Today everything I just eat. Everything just the enter. Just the enter. Why my skin not go shine? I must shine. It must shine. Because I eat original food. Delicious food. You understand? I mean they cook the food where they eat. I know they buy food for outside they eat. And they cook make my food by myself. I go eat and not be all those food where they sell for outside. Not even know what they take cook. This one I go buy everything come house. I go cook to my taste. I go eat I go enjoy it. I go feel everything, feel the vibes, everything. I will just feel it. You understand? You know now, when you cook that delicious food, that type of food, where people go even test them, they go like to come they greet you every day. You don't cook that type of food. If you cook some kind of food, person will come greet you. If you say you want to come out tomorrow, you go wait. Maybe you go out 2 days journal. Oh my god. No, but the food big sha. The big sha. Big sha. I try with big sha. See the one will remain. Look at. I'll let this one remain. I try now. Waiting. Upon that, I don't first eat food since. I try. As that food big rich just now. See the one will remain. But I not finish. I try. But now the soup you not come. The meat why I just put for this, I not come finish every time. They pay me. You see, because my belly don't tight now. Don't full. Because I not feel come overeat over food. You understand? Overfeed this not good. You need to eat to your limit. No overeat. If you overeat food, your belly too full, not good. If it still cause another thing for inside your body, you don't understand. I need to eat to my limit. Now my limit I just eat rich so. Maybe if my food, if leave food I feel think of something to eat later. But now, as for now, I don't full. I not feel it overfeed it. This food big now. Waiting. I don't want over too fat. I need to still control my weight. You understand? I need to be moderate. So that I'm not too fat, I don't go too slim, I don't go too fat. You understand? Sure big guess. They okay. Don't be say you'll be like bro, if you still over slim, if you still slim, not that bad. If you still too fat, not that bad. Depends. Some people still like her. I not say because say somebody they fat, it's not good. Some people like her. You always still slim. Some people still like slim. Before that's what I be like I slim. Now me come be this one. See me now. You see me? Don't be say I over too fat or bet. I not slim the way I just slim before. Before when I did young. Oh my god. I be like I slim. When I come abroad, when I come Europe that time, people they talk say this slim girl, small girl, slim girl, you see. But now they moderate now. Not that bad. Oversleepness, it go make you dey one kind. You understand? If you still dey moderate, you still dey better small. You understand, guys? I really enjoy this food there. And as I eat this food now, I don't even know what I just dey talk different thing. Excuse me. You see, I don't overfull. I just dey tired, so I want to get up. As I want to get up, you get as e be. I just dey tired. Guys, this food where I got the feel am. Oh, the taste today, I still dey hear the taste of the food from my mouth. I really enjoy this food I really enjoy am. Na correct food. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. See you guys next time. See you. Thank you. Bye.